Hello everyone, welcome for today's lesson. In the previous video, we talked about how to open the virtual machine for Dynamics 365 that provide from Microsoft. We talk also about an overview for Dynamics 365 dashboard and how to create a legal entity in the system. Today, we will talk about currency, how to create currency in Dynamics 365 F&O. Currency is one of the important steps of implementation for Dynamics 365 F&O, finance and operation. After we creating the legal entity, we need to create the currency to define the currency that we will procedure our entry in the system. We have a two type of currency, accounting currency and reporting currency. Accounting currency is the mainly currency for the legal entity. Reporting currency is the secondary currency for the legal entity it using for reporting. To find or to set up the currency, we can find it in the General Ledger module. General Ledger module, one of the important module for Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. This module, like the engine for the car, all the transactions that happen in the system, it's reflecting in the General Ledger transaction. We will find the General Ledger module here under the module tab. We have here workspace, general entry, inquiry and report, something like periodic task, allocation, period close. We have a lot of tabs here. We will to define the currency for the legal entity. You can go to general ledger under the currencies here. We will find currencies by clicking on the new. Under the currency code here, we will select the ISO for the currency or the currency. All the currency is already predefined from Microsoft. For example, I need to define the Egyptian pound. For example, I type EGP, I will find the Egyptian pound. The name is coming automatically. I can type the symbol. This checkbox is reference for triangulation currency. I will talk about this triangulation in separated video. The currency converter is used to show the reporting to another currency unless the accounting currency and reporting currency. Under the rounding rule tab, you have the general rounding rule for all over the system. You have the sales order rounding rule. You can here find the rounding method, normal, downward, rounding up, or also the purchase order and the prices. The currency gender is used for Spanish speaker countries to define the type of the currency. Now we will finalize how to define the currency in the system. In the next video, we will define the exchange rate type. See you in the next video. Bye.